As I started getting thinner, then I started looking for doctors.
My hairline was straight across, completely not natural. My brother, who's younger than me, he was here about a month ago to get the surgery done for the first time.
I saw the straight line on his above his forehead.
So I came in to fix one problem and I got 3 things accomplished.
It was relaxing. It wasn't a stressful environment.
Patient care is just tremendous. The cleanliness, the facility is just tremendous.
Nobody noticed that I had the hair transplant.
No one in my family knew I had the second surgery.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others, as I already have.
But 100% recommend Dr. Bolton to others.
Shanae here at Dr. Bolton's office, and joining us is a beautiful couple, Vito and Julie.
He's got a very young, vibrant personality. Excited, I think it's more nervous excitement.
And there was people walking in and out, and he's like, hey, come here, check him out. This is what I did here. Check this guy's scar out. There was a sense of comfort when I came into here, and confidence that Dr. Bolton gave me twice as many, almost 8,000 hairs. I told a couple of guys that were there that I had the surgery done. They were all trying to find my suture lines, and nobody could even just go to one place if you're looking. I looked at 3 along. I did my homework on the internet. I wouldn't just sign up the first place I went.
So how did you narrow it down and decide on Dr. Bolton?
The outcome of it, what they were telling me, so I decided to come to Dr. Bolton's. I would say within the first 3 months, I saw little follicles coming out.
Were you telling them what you did?
No, I did not.
There's no need to tell me.
No, I didn't tell anyone I had a hair transplant.
Result doesn't lie, guys. I mean, look at this gorgeous head of hair. Come on. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Well, thank you. It was my pleasure.
We're very excited and happy for you. Thank you so much, John. Who's a patient of Dr. Brett Bolton. You had the surgery. During the surgery, were you in any pain?
No, not the first surgery, no pain at all.
After your surgery, when did you first start noticing your hair growing in?
6 months when I really noticed it.
Did you come clean and tell them what happened?
Most people know.
Now we can say that you're very happy with your results, correct?
Yes, I'm very pleased. I felt Dr. Bolton was more personable, and
Yes.
I just liked the way he acted and the way he handled things.
We're very happy for you, and you look great. Dr. Brett Bolton, we can say, that he's a fabulous doctor, right?
Oh yes, he's excellent. Yes.
Thank you, Frank.
I started losing my hair when I was probably in my early 20s. I realized I don't have a good, shapely, bald head. I looked at 3 different doctors down here in South Florida, and can't compare it to the kind of service and quality you get from here. I think the procedure started around 4 o'clock. I think I was done by like 7:30. I feel actually younger. I feel more vitalized. There's really no words to describe it. Great, awesome. I mean, I strongly recommend it. Stop looking at all these other doctors, all these other procedures, and really it's a one-stop right here.